Good evening, traders. It's been a wonderful time. We've had the holidays. Christmas has come and gone. What a joy. We're in 2020, beginning of a new decade. Our video for last week was quite profitable. We saw prices hit our TP for USD CAD and USD Canadian dollar, and the USD JPY pair. We had some good moves with gold also and GBP/USD. I believe we're all back from our holidays. We had time to spend with friends and family, and we're back again to look at what the market holds for us this week. I'm still continuing my series. What will you do? What do you do when the market opens on Monday? And we've looked at quite a number of things. We've looked at the areas where buyers and sellers do the exchange in the market, which we defined as support and resistance zones. We've looked at candlestick, the bodies of the candlesticks giving us the momentum of price. And as long as we have momentum, we know we are going along with the trend. And when we have reduced momentum, we're looking towards having a reversal of trend. And basically, that's the mechanics of price action. And we were looking at using these two parameters to tell what to do when the market opens on Monday. I'm looking at the GBP/USD chart right now, and from what I have on my chart, what do I do when the market opens on Monday? I'm looking at where price is at, if it's at any of these support and resistance zones, and we're also looking at the kind of candle, the candlestick formed at that zone. And when we look at these two, place them in context, we'll be able to take informed decisions with what price is going to do for the week. Because we can also use that for the day, and we'll have strategies to go along with it. And before I go ahead with my video, I also want to make you understand that Forex is a risky business, and as such, you need to get sound advice before you place your money in the market as an investment, or else you'll be gambling. And with that said, I'm only bringing this for educational purposes, and I believe it will be beneficial to Forex traders around the world. Now, we're looking at the GBP/USD pair as we've always done with our charting and an analysis. Right now, I'm looking at the GBP/USD pair, and from what we have here, price is at a support zone right now. We're seeing prices come from this zone, close below this one, and has tried to retest this zone. By the formation of the candlesticks we have here, this is the weekly time frame. From the formation of the candlesticks we have here, we have something that looks like a double top. Prices have tried to retest this top, and like I said, that was my analysis for the week for last week. We didn't quite get to the top, but prices tried to retest this top, this high here, and we've closed on a bearish note, and we have a doji here. We call an inverted gravestone doji. Basically, the price action here is telling us the upside is no longer feasible. We're looking at more downside right now because we don't have any more upside moves. So basically, if we're looking at just the weekly, we can place our sell stop, 20 pip sell stop below the low of last week's weekly candle. The low is at 1.30534. So we can place a 20 pip sell stop below it. That will be at 1.3033. And our next port of call, we'll be looking at trying to hit the next resistance zone, which is at 1.2780 or 2775. I try to leave room for spread, so we can place our sell stop below this low and allow it to run down for the week. But we can still zoom in to look at what the position we're taking based on the daily time frame now, and we could see prices might stall a bit around here, 1.2950, before coming down to 1.2765. That's the zone. We could leave a 10 pip spread difference, take out our TP at 1.2780 or 1.2775. Well, for those that are onto my signal service, I post daily updates, and we were looking at it on a daily close level, on a daily close basis. As the candles close for the day, we'll be able to look at it till it gets to this point, and we're able to know if we would look beyond this point. But for now, my TP for GBP USD this week is at 1.2775. Going to GBP CAD, GBP Canadian dollar. And now let's look at it from the weekly level. We also have prices trying to go beyond this high of our fortnight candle and has closed bearish. In fact, what we have here is a bearish engulfing candle because the weekly candle, the range of the candle totally engulfs the range of our Christmas week's candle. So what do I expect? I expect a small retracement upwards and will continue downwards. The next key support level at 1.6810. We could zoom in to get a clearer picture. And from what I see here, I see prices trying with with slight retracement upwards before we come down. So for this pair, what you do, you either place a self stop below the low of Friday's close. Friday's low is at 1.6963. You could put a 10 pips self stop at 1.6953 and aim for the next key support level at what 1.6810. Or if you can, just wait for the retracement to happen and look for reversal candles around this area at around 1.71 area, and look towards the sell from there. But for now, you can place your sell stop here and continue downwards. Let's look at the next. Looking at Euro USD. We are about 15 pips short of our target. No, about 11 pips short of our target, because it got as high as 1.1239, and we were aiming for 1.1250. That was my aim. But we were able to take our profits before prices turned back downwards. Now, from what we have here, let's look at the weekly first of all. Weekly has formed something that looks like a doji. So basically, I'll be looking forward to prices coming down to 1.1080. We have a doji, or like a spinning top here. We've tried to retest this high, and the bodies of the candle, the body of this candle is rather small, telling us momentum to the upside has diminished. So most likely we're looking towards a sell. So let's look at what we do on a daily basis. And now for daily, we already have prices testing this and going back upwards. And I'm looking forward to price coming into one point, coming into 1.1080. That's where I'm looking at price getting to 1.1080. Yeah. So let's look at where we can take our entries from. From what we have here, we can continue selling from 1.1120. Place a sell stop below this point, and 1.1120, and aim for the low here. Basically, that's what I'm looking at for. 1.1120 and one going down to 1.1080. Basically, from what we have here, we could see price coming down much lower than what you're looking at now. We could see price coming in really lower, even into this zone. But for now, our TP for now for this video is 1.1080. Those who are onto my signal service, we'll be looking at price as it unfolds on a daily basis, and we'll be able to tell if it will come down to this point. Let's quickly look at GBP, JPY. Now, the same thing holds for most of the GBP pairs. So I'm expecting a small retracement upwards here, and we'll continue down to the next key support area at 138.20. We could leave room for spread. We should leave room for spread to take your profits at 138.30 or 138.35, depends on your broker. Let's look at gold, USD. Weekly gold has made quite a bullish run, and we could still see prices going further beyond where it is now. For gold, we're looking at this retracement from the highs. We've seen gold's bullish run retest the highs here at 1556. it was quite close, but the highs didn't get quite there. Well, based on what we need to do, we've closed above broken resistance, which is going to turn support for us. So right now, what we're going to do is to wait for a retracement, and I'm envisaging a retracement that would take us to 1536 area. I think would, from the look of this candle, the momentum is towards the upside. So we'll wait for this retracement and head higher. And head higher, we'll be looking forward to hitting 1562. So what do we do? Based on this video, I'll be looking the same thing I have here. I'm looking for a small retracement and before going higher. Now, on the 4 hours, if I go in there, you can put your self stop. I'll be putting a self stop below the low of Friday's candle. The low is at 1546.12, so I'll be putting it at 1545, and I'll be aiming for 1537 or 1538, around those two areas. That's what I'm looking out for before heading higher. But basically, based on our daily closes, based on price action, we'll be looking at reversals around 1536 area, 1537 area to head higher. But if we don't have that, we're still looking forward to price coming down to this broken resistance turn support at 1515. That's where we're looking forward to get to. Let's look at the USD pairs quickly. We have one based on the weekly. USD card hit our TPN and went beyond it, quite beyond it. Excuse me. So what would I be looking forward to seeing? I'm looking forward to have a retracement up to 1.3045. Our close is at 1.2995. We'll retrace a bit to that 1.3045 and continue lower. Prices look likely to get to support at 1.2795 or basically 1.28. That's the level. The level is at 1.2800. So based on that, we're looking forward to prices hitting 1.2800. Now let's zoom in on the daily. Now, daily is even giving us heads up that we're going to be looking forward to that retracement. We have resumed. We had a doji here, and the candle here is telling us we can buy. We can head higher a bit. So we're looking forward to prices hitting 1.3045 before we continue our sell. But basically, once price moves and closes above 1.3180, we'll be looking forward to going higher based on the daily. So for now, I'm looking forward to prices getting to 1.3045. Well, for those who are onto my signal service, we'll look if we still have room to go higher, we'll trade it to the next key level of resistance at 1.3125 before we head any lower. So We're looking forward to that happening before we continue lower, because this we've closed below this area at 1.3045. So I'm looking forward to head lower. And let's look at USD JPY for USD JPY also give us profits. It went to our targets. We're looking for the price coming down to this area at 107.80, and we got quite close. Now, what do we look for to in the weekly? What do we have? So basically, we'll be looking for a small retracement upwards to about 108.50, and we'll continue lower. We're looking for the prices getting to 106.85 or 106.90. That'll be our next level of our next profit level. On the daily, what do we have? Excuse me. We're expecting that small retracement, and continue lower. We might not get to 108.50, but basically just look forward to a small retracement and continue selling. Based on the daily, we could even sell first of all to 108.70. Sorry, 106.70 before coming down as much. So basically that's it. 106.70 based on the daily. So wait for a small retracement upwards and we'll continue lower. Our next profit level will be at 106.70. Also, that will be that for this week, the week of January the 6th to January the 10th. We're in a new decade and we look forward to making more profits for this year. If this has been helpful, I would like to click the like button, click on the subscribe, and you could also click on the bell notification beside this subscribe handle. It will help you to see videos as quickly as I upload them. And I'll say bye for now. Have a great trading week.